Today I'm going to show you how to access your browsing history in Google Chrome in just a few simple clicks. This is a quick and useful trick if you want to revisit a website you viewed earlier, find a page you forgot to bookmark, or check what you were browsing recently. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this one. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three vertical dots icon. This is the main menu for Chrome, and it gives you access to a lot of useful browser settings and tools. Go ahead and click those three dots. When the menu opens, hover your mouse over the option that says History. As soon as you do that, Chrome will show you a small submenu with more history-related options. This is where you can quickly get to pages you visited before without having to search manually. Now click Open History page. Chrome will take you directly to your full browsing history screen. On this page, you can see the websites you visited, organized so you can scroll through and find what you need. If you're looking for something specific, you can also use the search bar on the history page to search for a site, keyword, or page title. From here, you can click any entry in your browsing history to open it again right away. This is especially helpful if you accidentally closed a tab, forgot to save a link, or just want to return to a page you visited earlier in the day or week. And that's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you can access your browsing history in Chrome and get back to any site you need. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tutorials, tips, and helpful browser tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.